This is Mamutasa Medas. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First, we will draw from the top view. In the top view, first we will draw a rectangle. The rectangle is 200 by 150. Then we will extrude boss the rectangle into 18 into 18, which will be 18 plus 18, 36. Okay, now select the top plane and then select sketch. Now select center rectangle. Now place the rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it. Dimension it 150 by 200. Now isometric it. Now go to features and then extrude boss. As we can see, it is divided into two parts, so I will also extrude boss it to two direction. First, in the first direction, uh, give dimension 18 unit and select now direction 2 and dimension it 18 unit. Now press OK. Now here we can see we have a fillet of 30 in this two side. So first we will fillet this two part. Go to fillet and select 30 unit, then select this corner and that corner, then press OK. Now here we can see we have another fillet throughout the whole area, so which is 18 unit. So now again select the fillet option and then dimension it 18. Now select this line, it will automatically catch all the line. Also in the lower part we can see the preview. Now press OK. Now I will first draw this outer part of the extrude cut. First I will draw from this circle of radius 40. So select this face, then select sketch. Now normal to it. As you can see, this 40 radius circle is apart from 18 plus 62 from this side. So I will first place a point, placing a point here. Now dimensioning this point, select this point and dimension it from this side, which will be 18 plus 62. Now press OK. Now select the circle and draw the circle and dimension it 40 into 2. Press OK. Here we can see we have a line of 75-degree angle, which is apart from 40 unit from here. And we have a center line, so I will first draw a center line, then draw a line of 75 angle. Now select center line. Now draw a center line from here to here. As we can see, this inclined line is 40 unit apart from here, so I will again place a point and then dimension it 40. So select a point here. Now dimension it from this center line and dimension it 40. Press OK. Now select line. Now place the line in this point and draw a line. Now go to smart dimension, select this line and this line. Now dimension it 75 angle. As here we can see we have another incline in this side, so we will mirror this one. Go to mirror and select the entities and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now I will trim all the unnecessary part, so I'll trim this part, and this part and this part. Press OK. Now we can see that here we have a fillet, which is fillet of 25. So as you can see, we have a fillet of 25. So I will select sketch fillet. Now dimension it 25. Now select this point and this point. Now press OK. Now close the boundaries. Select a line and then place the two line in these 2 points. Now press OK and exit sketch. If you see in the drawing, we have another same shape, which is 10 unit offset. So the 10 unit offset is 15 unit apart from top plane. So I will first draw a reference plane from the top surface, which will be 15 unit apart from the top surface. Then I will offset the top surface sketch to the that reference plane. Oh, so now select the top surface, then select the plane. Now dimension it 15. Now flip the offset. Now press OK. Now select this plane and select sketch. Now normal to it. As we will offset this shape, so first of all let's select this shape. Now select offset entities. Now as here we can see it is offset of 10, so we'll dimension it offset of 10. Now select reverse. Now press OK. Okay, now again I will normal to it. Now I will, as we can see, we have drawn this part. Now we have to draw this lower part. So now first I will select a line and draw a line here, and select a line here and draw a line here. Okay, now select this line and select this one and now parallel it. Okay, now again select this line and then parallel it. Now press OK. Now select this line and now I will select convert entities. Now I will trim all the unnecessary part. So I will trim this part, and this one, and this one. As here we can see we have a joint here and also a joint here. So we don't want this joint because we will loft cut it. So this may cause the error. So I'll redraw this line. So I'll also trim this line too. So also trimming this line. Now press OK. Now select line and now joining this line will close the shape. Now we have gotten a offset of similar shape. Now normal isometric it. Now exit sketch. Okay, now go to lofted cut and select this point and this point. Now press OK. You can see we have cut it through the shape. As we no longer need this plane, so I will hide it. Now again normal isometric it. Now we can see that we have a hole in this here. The hole is 15 radius circle. So I will select this face and select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle and place the circle here and I will dimension it 15 into 2. Now press OK. Now again isometric view it. Now go to feature and extrude cut and I will extrude cut it. Now here we can see we have some rectangle shape. As we can see, there is a repetitive. We can use linear sketch pattern here, and we will mirror in this side. The small rectangle are 15 in wide, and length will be 150 minus 114 divided by 2, and which is 20 unit apart from this side. So I'll draw this from the top plane. So I'll select top plane, then sketch. Now normal to it. Now select corner rectangle. Now draw a corner rectangle. Now dimension it 150 minus 100. Oh, sorry, it will be 104. It will be 104 divided by 2, which leads to 23, and the other dimension is 15 unit. Now press OK. Now I will select linear sketch pattern. Now reverse the direction, and we can see the rectangle are apart from 20, and the this line is 15, so will total length will be 35, so total spacing will be 35. And as we have 3 rectangle, so I'll use 3. Now press OK. Now I'll draw a center line. Okay, then I'll select mirror intends to mirror, select all the rectangle and mirror about this center line. Press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now select through all both side. Now press OK. As we can see, we have drawn the final shape, and thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.